Yeah, so what these fish will do, they'll come to the surface and they'll hit that warm water and they'll kind of pitter out. They'll still fight, but they're gonna pitter out a little bit. So yep, hear that? Yep, you're gaining on them there. Yep. Yep. Start right here. Yep, perfect. Yeah. Yep.
He's just heavy fishing though.
So you can reel on them. You're only gonna gain a little bit at a time sometimes, and then all of a sudden he's gonna change his mind and turn the other way. Yep, it's just, yep, exactly. You'll gain a little bit, you'll run, gain a little bit, you'll run. Hopefully you gain more than you lose, so. Oh, you got that. I thought you had the Billy.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat my guide. Really? Not until we're in closer to shore.
You better get that son of a bitch in the boat.
Oh, see it.
When he runs, you just let it go, right?
Yeah, yeah, there's no stopping them. I got them drakes set about as tight as they can go without snapping them off.
That kind of a constant reel unless you hear that noise going.
The concentration on your face is intense.
So you can try doing this. Lift up nice and slow, lift up nice and slow.
And reel down.
Reel down, yep, then reel down real fast, yep. There you're, now you're gaining on him. Once he turns his head, we gain on him. Yep, keep reeling, just keep on reeling as long as he'll let you gain on him. He'll swim with the boat, yep, perfect. Yep. Yep.
Now he's running, okay.
Oh yeah.
Did you bring your muskie net?
I did. I do got my muskie.
That's a joke because we were on the docks in Madison and one of the other goes, "Oh, you got your muskie net with you?"
Well, it's better than my buddy that I went up walleye fishing with. We went up walleye fishing in De Pere one day, and my girlfriend hooked into a really nice muskie. She's all excited. We get into the boat, my buddy goes, "Oh, I forgot my net." Oh, she was so disappointed.
Crap.
Ooh, he's out there.
Oh yeah, that's just the board. Once you get that, then it's 120 foot of lead core, 4 colors, 10 yards of color.
Yeah, you're 50 yards out there.
I have the trap, but it's like...
It's the brace arm. It always is the brace arm. Remember the training.
Yeah, you're right. So is this distance on the counter accurate?
Yep, it should be on that
400 feet yet?
Well, if you look straight back, you can see the board coming in.
Once the board gets here, I'll have you back up to this step, and then I'll grab that planer board off for you, and then it's just you and the fish. Then it gets fun. Then you get halfway to the board, then you can go another 100 feet.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna have to work on that. Getting a race arm. Oh.
It's not like they say in the movies where you're like, oh, that can't be that hard.
Matter of stopping some crap up.
There you go. Now you're getting some ground. And then they take it back?
No, he's not. Oh,
yeah, now he's at it. Goodbye! There he is, way in the back. I saw him jump. Yeah.
Off to the left.
Yeah, keep going. That's just your butt. Like, the distance to that orange plank is half the distance to the fish.
I know.
Yeah, there's big king salmon out here right now. Two or three of them on, and then we can really have them off. You got it?
I know.
Dehydration got you cramping?
So does it tire out?
Well, remember, you got the boat traveling that doesn't have to do shit. You still got to reel it in.
Oh, man.
Only 3 more fish today.
Yeah.
I haven't reeled in, so I figure payback's gonna be a bitch.
This feels heavy.
I hope this is a monster.
Oh my God. No.
See if you can grab it up a little bit further. Sometimes helps too.
Yeah, because it's my forearm. My hands cramp. I'm keeping the tension, so.
Yep. As long as you keep the tension.
I think you're doing great. You're making progress on it. I haven't seen it jump back again.
And now I keep
You go. Keep going, keep going. I'm watching the back to see if I see it jump again.
Yeah, the sunrise, you got good lights for that.
It's such a cool, it's got so cool looking at the boats on the horizon. Not a lot of mornings to get it.
There you go, there you go. You're gaining ground. As soon as you get that board out of the water, it'll get a little easier.
How do you know you've never done this before?
What was that?
I said to Todd, how do you know you've never done this before?
I'm just trying to encourage you. I'm using anything in the book. Oh, he saw ya! Oh!
He doesn't know, he's taking it out. Oh, come on.
There he is!
Got his second wind.
Did you see him bouncing? He's right over there.
Oh yeah.
If what came out of the water is half of what he is, he a big fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, he gonna take you for a ride.
Them to take running off like that, yeah, they
I see him. I see
Yep.
him.
Oh, yeah,
There he is.
That's the king jumping, just reaching the surface like that.
Are they the ballerinas of the Great Lakes?
I was wondering how that was good. There you go. Oh, he jumped again. There he is.
I felt that coming.
I felt that coming.
Yeah, he doesn't like to get much closer than that to the boat, does he? Holy balls. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he's really pulling it.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
It's so beach tiring out.
No. He's like, who interrupted my breakfast?
Hooking his Cheerios.
I haven't got my coffee yet. What the hell? Oh, all right, you good?
Oh, he goes again.
Oh, hang on. He's fighting. You got it. Yeah. Oh, you're going deeper. He's still coming though. I don't hear him pulling line.
I realize staying on top is the way to go, but wow, no.
grabs a 30-pound fish.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they're strong.
They're gonna be tasty.
Another one.
Steve.
He'll stop eventually, or he'll just keep running.
Keep going, Darren.
I know.
Once you get some board in, you'll be hopefully better. Or he'll feel you pulling and say, "Ah, the hell with you."
Oh.
There are some big kings in here right now coming in. Then at the beginning of August, and what they're doing is it's all these big 4-year-old salmon coming in. They're setting the stage out here to eat as much as they can. They're going
Nice.
to the river and spawn. Yeah,
Nice.
I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that.
So is that the first spawn? Is that age 4?
What's that?
They just spawn at 4 years?
4 years old. Yep, 4 and a half. Yep.
And then they die, right?
Yep.
That's,
Exactly. Board on there.
I know.
You can dive and try and keep it out of the water if you can.
Oh man.
Keeps grabbing, okay.
So you want me to back up?
Yep, back her up and keep reeling. Can't believe that board did. Alright. That always pops. Alright, all you. Oh, you're good.
Get it, Robert, get it!
Going the wrong way.
Yeah.
You're there, a stalemate too, huh? Yeah.
Oh, he's coming.
You can do the same thing, a real steady lift up and reel down. Yep, real steady. Yep. That one's a wire line. That don't have any stretch. Oh yeah, you're getting out of now.
I don't know if it's psychological or if it's
No, there he is.
side view.
It's the biggest muskie ever caught.
Not done yet.
I don't know.
Not happy.
Nice.
Not happy. Tell you that much. Stay away from that line.
All right.
We might have you guys switch. I'm gonna wait and see what happens here.
How far out is
He's about 20 yards.
No, I mean
Oh, him? He's way out there. Yeah.
Robert's on the way out.
Yeah.
Come over in the back. Yep, perfect. I think that's okay then. Yep, he's coming at you. He's coming at you.
See what Darren was saying.
Yeah.
He's coming now.
Yeah.
Now
Definitely, it's the
he's losing his stamina.
pulling that out there.
So are you, right? You're gonna get him. You got him coming. You got him.
Whoa!
He wants to come down the side, so yep. Yep. Let's come right down to the side here. Yep.
Sitting at about
180 feet.
Keep your option over here.
Gain a little.
And bring him right down. How far are you on when you get about 40? 170? Yeah. You got a minute. You got a minute. Going and then he keeps. Well, if he does run, drop that rod down and let him peel off that reel. Really hope we can get it on. Watch Joe when I
Yep.
start swinging.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice. Oh yeah. That's what we're looking for. Maybe back up to that corner, bud. Ooh, that's a dandy.
That is a big fish, Darren.
Ooh, that's a nice one. That one's no float either.
Oh.
One more
Keep going, keep going, keep going down.
Come on.
One more time, come on.
Yeah!
Oh,
Got him. Oh, that's a stud. Oh, shit, man. That's off 20.
holy ball.
You know, when you start on top, I don't know what to tell you, so.
Go, Robert, go!
Got him.
You hurt him!
Got him. He ain't going nowhere now, boys.
Big salmon.
Oh, yeah. That's what
That's amazing.
get a pair of big toes. Funny to think that big fish eats such a small spoon.
Yeah.
All right, man. That's excellent. They'll wear you out. They'll wear you down. That's for sure.
Yeah,
You better be ready.
I don't need to hear it anymore. I'm already nervous about it.
I didn't do anything. Drag. Hooked the drag on accident.
Did I?
Yeah, somehow. I don't know how. It's okay.
I thought maybe
Somehow it got caught. I could tell when it went slack like that.
Yeah.
Woo.
I think I'm hitting it with my thumb.
You want a picture with it right away? Yeah, I can snap a picture of you. For sure, that's a stud right here.
Just turn it. You gotta turn it around.
Yep.
Just like that.
Oh. How do I turn the phone around? I found it.
Circles.
Oh.
That's a heartbreaking station, ain't it? When it feels like you lost them and you just.
I guess I should have known.
I didn't even try to. Didn't even try to hold it up close.
It's all good. It's all good. That happens sometimes. Right on the ice here.
That's a beautiful fish.
Yeah, aren't
Holy
they
cow.
beautiful?
Wow.
Big, man.
Not even 6 a.m.
Here now.
Perfect.
Sounds like he's, yeah.
Now it's getting tired.
So is Robert. How you doing?
Doing okay? Definitely burns. I know what Darren's talking about now, for sure.
Oh, I see. I think the board. Oh, that's the fish. I see it. It's another nice sized one too.
Yes, I tightened her up really good. I really tightened that thing up. I don't want to pull that hook up in. Fill up. You gotta leave a little drag in case you want to.
Mm-hmm.
Is that him just right there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought I just wasn't seeing the
Yep,
board.
so you got the puck there, see the little puck?
It's just a little round one.
You
Yeah.
got the flasher and then that's the fish flashing behind the flasher.
You got him. There you go. It's almost there. Yeah. Come on, let's hear some grunting, groaning out of you. I want to hear it.
Yeah.
Have you back up, bud? And go over to this corner.
Hey Robert, what do you think?
Nice job.
First salmon, huh?
That's my first salmon. That's awesome.
Sweet. You're 4-year-olds at that. Started out.
Might as well start at the top.
Yeah, right. Work our way down, right?
Or just stay at the top. So how big do they get?
So these ones here are ending their life cycle.
Yeah,
This
so
is
they're
probably a buck. So he's coming in for spawning season as well. The other one's probably a female. Females get a little bit bigger.
okay.
She looked thicker too.
Females,
Yeah.
Females died. Do they die at 4 years too? Ouch.
Nice. Thank you for letting me catch that on video.
So yeah, 4 years. 4 years they come in, they spawn and do their thing. They think they're reproducing, but they really don't think.
Oh, look at the rainbow.
I got one.
Oh, is there?
Turn it sideways, Robert. There you go.
Yeah, there we go.
You're getting out of here?
Got it.
Let me put one sideways in front of me.
Yeah, I only got 2 on. I killed
Only got 2 on. Yeah.
Cool.
I got a couple shots for it.
Okay. Okay, can you talk to anyone?
You can sit it on the floor.
Right into the